Welcome on into my channel, everybody. My name's Luke W, and yes, you read the title right. Today's the first day I'm investing in the stock market. Now, there's a couple reasons I'm doing this. One is because there's a lot of panic in the marketplace right now, so the stock market has just plummeted since this whole coronavirus outbreak and scare. Another big reason I want to get in is because after making quite a significant amount of money with my Amazon FBA business, my personal brand, my YouTube, my courses, and all of this, I've realized that I need to get my money diversified and get it in the stock market. And what better time to do that right now when the stock market is super low like it is. So I'm actually going to share my phone screen with you guys right here in this video and show you how I'm going to make my first trade. But really the main reason I'm doing this right now is because I've watched a lot of stock videos lately and I've found out this platform called Webull that has, I've even taken some notes on it. They have zero commission fees, zero clearing fees, and no initial deposit. And when you sign up, you get 2 free stocks. You get your first stock free when just signing up and making your account, and that's valued between $2 and $1,400, but they're just going to give you a free random stock. And then you'll get your second stock when you make an investment of over $100 into any stock in the marketplace. And that's what I'm going to do here with you guys today. So for someone like me that doesn't know a whole lot about stocks but wants to get in when the buying is good, now is a great time. And this whole promotion that Webull is offering is only good through March 31st, I believe, when they're actually giving out these 2 free stocks. And the main advantage to Webull that everyone's talking about is the fact that there's zero commission fees whenever you're buying or selling a stock. If you go into any of these other main platforms, which I have written down here, Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, these fees that other platforms are charging can range between $5 and $8, which is actually pretty significant if you're only investing in a couple $100s in the stock market. So you don't want to go down that route. So I suggest that you guys check out that link below, sign up, and you'll at least get your free stock. And then if you invest $100 in the stock market while it's super low right now, which is a great time to buy, you'll then get another free stock valued between $1,200 and $1,400. So definitely take advantage of this offer and the time the marketplace is in right now. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone and jump right into the Webull app and show you how I'm going to invest for my first time ever in the stock market. So I'm opening the app right now. The first thing I see is my watch list with some of the most popular stocks. I'm actually going to go to the deposit section and deposit in $1,000 so I have some money to play with. Keep in mind, it was super easy. I literally had the instant verification to set my bank account up with the app. It took about 2 minutes, and it was super easy to do that. So I'm here now. I'm going to say make my first deposit. I'm at the amount section right now, and I'm going to go ahead and throw in $1,000 out of my bank account into Webull. So I'm pressing transfer now out of my bank account. Each transfer will take 5 days to complete, but I will get a provisional credit as buying power so I can start trading right now. ACH transfers are free. However, if I have insufficient funds, there's going to be a $30 fee, I guess. So I'm just making sure I have money in my bank account, which I do, and I'm going to press confirm, and I'm depositing right now. Now, because I made my deposit after 4 p.m. Eastern time, it looks like I won't be credited with this buying power until tomorrow. But I'm going to make a quick cut and we'll come back to when I'm able to buy my first stock. It looks like I got to wait a little longer. Okay, we are back and I've done a little bit more research and I've realized that the airlines and the oil companies are plummeting so huge. So we're going to jump back in and I'm going to show you how I'm going to invest in my first stock today. So I just opened up the app here and I'm going to go look in my account, and yes, I see I have $1,000 in settled cash. So we're going to go spend a little bit of this. I'm going to save some more to buy as I do more and more research. But as I said before, we're going to go look at some of these airline and oil companies and go buy these stocks at this huge discounted rate right now. So let's go look at some of the markets and go search stocks. And I already pulled up a few right here. So ExxonMobil, guys, look at this tanking action. They're just tanked. We can look at the 1-year graph right now, and they're just super low. So over the last year, we can see ExxonMobil was around $82, and now it's at a huge discount at $50. So I'm literally going to go in right now, and this is going to be the first stock I'm ever going to buy just because it's at such a crazy discount. Now, one thing you guys want to keep in mind is the limit price. So if you don't set a limit price, the market fluctuates so rapidly and fast sometimes that if a stock just happens to jump up $10 in a couple minutes in some cases, you might be locking in your stock at that higher price. So when you set a limit order, that helps you make sure that you're buying at that price. That's your limit. That's the highest price you're going to buy at. So right now I see my limit price is $50.05. I'm going to go and add one quantity to that, and that's 6% of my funds, it looks like, that I have able to buy. So I'm actually going to go ahead and set my quantity to 2, so I'm paying over $100, and I will be granted that free stock when I make this trade. I can see in the top right corner it says 16:17. That means it's past normal trading hours for the day on the East Coast, so it's 4:17 p.m. there. I'm going to go ahead and press extended hours, and I have my 2 stocks in there, my limit order set, and I'm going in right now. I'm going to press buy, and here's the confirmation. Extended hours, yes. The estimated amount is set. Limit price, order type. I've never done this before, and let's go ahead and press confirm. And I just added 2 stocks to my position, guys. This is huge. That was me buying my first stock ever. I can come in and look at my positions, and I know it takes a little bit of time to actually fulfill these orders. So I see my net account value is still at 0, but I will have this money come in there. I'm not sure how long it's going to take, especially since I went on the extended hours here, but I'm looking forward in the summertime. You know, people are starting to travel more, people are buying more gas and whatnot, and this is definitely going to go up. I mean, this whole coronavirus scare is a prime time to buy, and I basically just sealed the deal right there. So I can come in and come look at, you know, Delta Airlines, and everyone is down. You see right here the 1-year graph, they're just super low right now. The 3-month graph, they were maxing out around $61, and right now it's down at $45. So I'm going to do a little more research, figure out which other stocks I actually want to invest in. And another awesome thing about the app is you can come down and see what news is going on for this airline itself. So the coronavirus updates, airline stocks tumble. So there's all this other insider information. There's real life comments for people coming in here saying, hey, I want to see this down to $30. So people are all getting kind of hyped on this, and luckily for me, it's my first time ever buying stocks, guys. So one other thing I want to leave you with that they have here, this is on the menu section. You can see where you can have your free stock. So I'll be able to get my deposit bonus here pretty soon, I would imagine, and your deposit's being processed. So it's going to take a few more days, but that's when I'll get my other free stock. That's good to know. And I can also come down and see where it says paper trading. So this is a simulated stock trading ability where I have $1 million in my account, and I can basically go allocate that to real life stocks and see how they do without spending real money. So you guys can always do that. But like I said, this is a great time to get into the market. Everything seems to be down right now. So that's what I would suggest you guys go do. Invest $100, go get some free stocks. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this, and also let me know if you want me to make more stock trading type videos for you guys, because the more I actually talk about this and learn it and do it and make videos about it, the more I learn, and that's kind of my little secret to success at the end of the day. The more I talk about this stuff, the better I get at it. So it's a win-win situation for you guys to learn and get inspired, and also for me to learn and teach myself. So with this paper trading thing, I can come say quick trade, Apple, click on that. At the bottom it says paper trading, as you can see, so we're not spending real money here. And I'll just press paper trading, and I can go buy like 6 stocks right now at, you know, $292 each, and press confirm. At the top it also says paper trading confirmation, and this is kind of, it shows that I'm working right now. It does take time, like I said, to fulfill the actual orders, so it's going to simulate in real time how long it would take for me to actually buy these 6 stocks. So that's what I wanted to bring out to you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and drop a thumbs up on this video. If it's your first time here, go check out my other plethora of videos. I talk about making money online, setting yourself financially free, and with the whole coronavirus thing out there, just, you know, people having to go to work, it's kind of a risk. If you want to think about working in a crowded environment, it's way more sketchy than working from the comfort of your own home. So that's what I wanted to leave you guys with in today's video. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.